Hi guys, this is my very first YouTube video and I decided I wanted to show you how to do this really simple, cute, smoky eye look. There's me, feeling myself, of course. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Hey guys, so first, I already have my foundation and basically my whole face done. So I'm going to just be priming my eyelids, and you want to put that all over your eyelids and smooth them out. You don't want it to be any clumps, so you smooth out and make sure it's all over your eyelids. Then you just kind of wait and let it sit for a little bit and dry up. Don't really know why I fanned them, but you don't have to do that. Next, I'm going to grab one of my favorite palettes from Urban Decay. It's called Born to Run. I just absolutely love all their shades. Now I look at my palette and decide which colors that I want to use today. So I found my color and I tapped the access off. And you don't want any access so you don't have any fallout. So now I just go back and forth. I keep going in so I can get it as dark as I want. And then I just keep blending. Keep blending. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that I got them both the way I want them, I get my fluffy brush, like my blending brush, and I just blend away. Blending your eyeshadow is definitely very important. So I like to I just blend and blend and blend. I forgot to tell you guys which color that I used, and I used the color Riff. Now for my next color that I'm going to be using is called Baja. So now I'm going to be getting my color and putting it right under the first color that I chose. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, going back and forth. Same thing for the other eye. And I keep doing this until I feel like both of my eyes look the same. And now I'm going to be blending. It's very important to blend, especially when you have two colors, so they can just have that nice transition. Now I decided that I wanted to do a little bit of a darker on my corner of my eyes, so I decided to use the color Punk. Now I'm going to be placing that, like I said, on the corner of my eyes, the outer corner of my eyes. And for this one, I don't really go back and forth, I just kind of tap it. And I kind of go in a circular motion. I'm going to keep getting my color until it's dark enough. Now same thing for the other eye. I grabbed my blending brush again, and now I'm blending all 3 of them. Now they both look the same, but I am going to keep blending. Don't mind me, I was listening to music while making this video. So now I'm going to grab like kind of more of a flatter brush, and I'm going to be picking more of a shimmery color, and that color was Stranded. And I'm going to be putting this kind of more on my inner corners and moving my way up. So mostly on my eyelid. Also, same thing for the other side. I don't know why I fanned it out my eyes, but I guess that's what I decided to do. I don't know. Now I see if I like how both of my eyes look. I was thinking I was going to put more of the punk on the outer corner of my eyes, but then I decided I liked how dark it was, but I felt like I needed more of the Stranded. So I'm putting that, same thing. Now I just blend and blend and blend. So now I think I like the way both of my eyes look. So now I'm going to be putting on mascara. Well, actually, first I'm going to be using the color Baja to put under my, like kind of under, right under my waterline. And putting this under my waterline, I feel like makes my eyes pop more. See, gives it a little bit of a spice to it. Now for mascara. I decided to make this go a little faster because who really wants to watch someone put mascara on? I don't know why, but I like to use 2 mascaras, especially when I don't wear false eyelashes. I feel like using 2 helps out with my eyelashes and making them more full. Okay, now that I'm finished putting on my mascara, and well, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you next time.